Hi, my name is Gary Davidson with Savviety. Today we're going to do a screencast on how to use the Savviety Service Manager API to create a work item incident. The Savviety Service Manager API consists of strongly typed classes and helper methods that are obtained from your management server. We do this by the use of T4 templates and code generation that read the metadata in the management server and output C# code that reflect that data in a strongly typed format. So let's create a work item incident. We first have to initialize the server context. Here we connect to our management server, in this case one of my test servers here. And then we're going to create a variable for the title, so we reuse that. And now we create an incident using one of the static factory methods. And let's go ahead and set the title in the constructor like so. Okay, let's set the incident ID property. We'll use the helper method get prefix, and we have to append the format placeholder. And the display name, we'll do the same way. We do it like this because the full name contains the ID, and the ID does not have a getter property. So we're going to set the description. This is DESCRIP description. Okay, let's add some enumeration properties. We'll start with tier queue and use the enumeration manager. You'll find that it's fairly intuitive, but due to the variable nature of System Center, you have to kind of just double check to make sure you're using the correct enum for the object that you're working with. Incident, for example, has a status enum that's not the same as the other statuses. So we go down here and we should see that in the IntelliSense. There it is. So we're going to make that active, and then we're going to set the classification. Email problems, and then set the urgency medium, impact to how about medium as well. Okay, let's create some associations. So we're going to do the assigned user by adding a related object. Using our trusty lambda, we know that we have an assigned to user, and then we can use the user manager to get the user, and we're going to use Mr. Nick. Okay, now we're going to do a add related object manager. Mr. Martin. And now we have to save the object. We also can add a connector object here for work with various custom connectors. So now let's start this and let it finish. And it has finished successfully. We'll go here and refresh our view. The last incident is 625, and now we have incident 626. And we have all the various objects filled out, users, and so forth. The next screencast will add activities and affected items and action logs. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have, and if you have any questions, just contact us at Savviety, and we will be glad to help you. Thank you very much.